You my everything, you all I ever wanted. We could do it real big, bigger than you ever done it. You be up on everything, other hoes ain't never on it. I want this forever, I swear I could spend whatever on it. But she hold me down every time I hit her up. When I get right, I promise that we gon' live it up. She made me beg for it till she gave it up, and I say the same thing every single time. I said you the best.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, another travel vlog. Y'all know this is my favorite thing to do. We're on the way to Disney World for Christmas. I'm so freaking excited because, believe it or not, I have never been to Disney World. Yes, big shocker, at my big age I have never ever been to Disneyland, Disney World, none of that. So we will be going in this video. We're gonna be staying for a week. It's gonna be so fun. Right now I'm on the way home. It is like 3 something. I'm gonna grab me something to eat on the way home, and then I'll chill over there for a little bit until it's time for me to go to the airport. My flight leaves at like 9 something. I will be getting there at like 6 something. Like, I'm not playing around. I'm getting there 3 hours early because it's holiday season, and telling by this traffic right here, yeah, I need to be in there. I need to be in there 3 hours early. And I'm gonna be checking some bags as well, so I need time to do that. So I don't know if I'm gonna talk to y'all in the airport or not, simply because I just know it's gonna be so packed and it's gonna piss me off. So I don't know, we'll see how I feel. But if I don't talk to y'all in the airport, I would definitely talk to y'all when I land. So y'all just sit tight and stay tuned. Hey y'all, so it is many hours later, but I have made it safe and sound. My flight literally kept getting delayed, so it is, what time is it? It's after 12 o'clock. It's 12:55, but I'm here, I'm safe, that's all that matters. Y'all, this house is tea. This house is tea. We about to do a little tour, we about to explore. Starting with this little entrance, let's get into it for real. Yeah, okay, so you come in. I guess we could just go little by little. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I think I want this room already because it's pink, of course. Oh, this room is so freaking cute. But you know what? I think I want to find a room that has a bathroom connected to it, because this is a little closet. This room is so freaking cute, guys. Okay. What's next? What is this? It's like a laundry room. Oh, it's another little closet. Let's look around. This might be a bathroom. Oh, no. Oh, okay, we got some linens. Got some linens. Let's see what this is. Okay, we got bathroom number 1. She's tea. She's cute. Oh, the shower eats. I love me. Let me turn the light off. Oh, it's so cute in here. I love it already, though. Okay. Now let's move on. Y'all, I just sat my bags down. I've been carrying them 2 tote bags like all day, and I'm tired of it. I checked my suitcases, but those bags are heavy. Next, what is this? It's like the garage. I'm not gonna open that. What's in here? Okay, oh, it's a big laundry room. Probably won't really need to use that. Then you got this little area right here. I'm about to take this jacket off. I'm getting hot. The living room and the kitchen. This is tea. Like, this dining area alone is tea. Like, I am ready to sit down, eat breakfast, eat lunch, eat dinner right at this table because it's so cute. We got a nice little modern living room. We got the kitchen, so cute. I'm nosy. Okay, we got some paper towels. We got toilet tissue. There's probably nothing in the fridge, but I'm just nosy and like to look. Yup, nice clean fridge and freezer. Oh, they even got like a little baby high chair. That is so cute. They got like some like a little bar area. So they got like wine glasses. They got the little mini fridges. I'm just so excited. Like, this place is so freaking cute. Is this a light? Oh, boom. Okay, we gonna go upstairs. See what it's talking about. I've been waiting on this moment all day. I'm ready to sit. Oh, now this is nice. Let me show y'all. They got like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Like, right when you come upstairs, it's like a whole nother living room area. Need some more light. Okay, boom, there we go. Here we go. All right, is this another bedroom? Oh, this is one of the kids' room. Oh, Y'all, this is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, look at the little plushies. And then the bathroom. Is this another kid's room? Oh no, oh. This is a cute bedroom right here though. I might do this bedroom because it connects to a bathroom. Okay. Moving right along. Oh, and I think, let me see, this is probably like a little hallway closet. Yeah. And I think this is just like the entrance to that other room. Yeah, I just looked in there. Okay, so boom. It's so many rooms, y'all. I don't even know where to start. Oh, this room is tea too. It's dark in here though. Where the light? I'll be quick to turn some lights on, baby. Come on with it. Okay. This room is tea. This room is very tea. Oh, this room has a bathroom connected to it. Oh, and a shower. But it's like, I don't know if I really like this room though. I don't know. Like, this is my, like, so far, this is my least favorite room. I don't know if it's the light. I don't know what it is. We're gonna keep looking though. Cause I really like this room right here, and I like the pink room down. Like, this one just seems cozier. You know what I'm saying? Like, this one's just very cozy. We're gonna keep looking. It's probably another room. Oh gosh, y'all, there's so many freaking rooms. Oh my gosh, there's so many rooms. This one is so cute. Every room just has its own like little theme going on. Oh, it's a bathroom right here. Okay, it's like 10 rooms. I think I'm almost done looking at it. We're gonna go on the next one now. Oh, and the full body mirrors. Hold on, let's get into it. Bow. Very cute. See? Okay. Oh my gosh, look at another kid's room. So cute. Yes, y'all, that is the end of the house tour. I'm about to find a room, settle in, shower, and get my life together. Hey y'all, so it's the next morning. Well, actually the next afternoon. I think I didn't get to bed until like 4 or 5 o'clock. So I definitely slept in. It's 12:50 right now, but yeah, I done got up. We're gonna get the day started soon. So actually, I thought we were going to Disney today, but we're actually not going until Monday. So today is Saturday. We'll be at Disney on Monday. But meantime, in between time, we're gonna find something to do. I'm pretty sure we're gonna do something today and tomorrow. I forgot to show y'all the game room last night, y'all. So I actually didn't open it up because I thought it was like the garage. No, it's a whole game room and it's so cute. It's like Simpsons theme. Let me show y'all. Okay, but yeah, it's so cute. They have darts. They got like a little pool table, the PlayStation, the little air hockey thing. And then the art is so cute. I didn't even open this last night. It's so crazy. But yeah. Got like the little menu thing here. About to make some little 1-2s.
More so just like we need breakfast food because we not gonna in the morning we gonna have to get up and hit the ground running. And we not gonna have time to be like, you know what I'm saying? And then you can come back in and be like,
The DJI? Yeah, tell him to go get it.
Listen to what I'm saying.
Okay, we listening.
You say good morning, and then you put music while you're doing this, and then you're gonna be like, okay guys, cheers. Come back in with the, with the voice.
Okay, cool. It's okay. Man. Okay.
All right. I need to make like a list of songs. I won't be getting no longer. I know tonight I made reservations at 5. You made it for 8 or you got? Okay.
Woo. All right.
Yeah, I made reservations. Can you redo my last meal?
Woo. Yeah. Let me add some ice because I can smell it.
I had to. So he ain't going to next year.
Yeah, he said I'm clocking out. Just enjoy a little family time.
Okay.
Like what? I left that shit right on the kitchen table, in my kitchen table.
Yeah.
You cooking breakfast?
At work.
Hey y'all, it's later on in the day and we are about to go to dinner. We're going to Firebirds. I think that's what it's called. Firebirds. Yeah, I actually was taking a nap. Like earlier we had went to Target. I didn't bring y'all to Target because I really didn't know we was gonna be in there like shopping for Disney stuff. But we went to Target earlier and got like some Disney shirts and stuff for the park. So I'm gonna show you that later when I get back. I'm putting on a little jewelry and then we're gonna be out the door because our reservation is for like 7:30. I think it's like 6 something right now. And it's not that close by, so we're gonna have to head out very soon. We've just really been chilling for majority of the day. Tomorrow's gonna be our first day at Disney and we have to get up very, very early. So I will be taking my butt to sleep tonight. We got like Flash Pass reservations, so we need to get there on time. I don't know what time the first one is, but I know it's in the morning, so we need to get there. I'm gonna set my alarm for early in the morning. I'm gonna take out my outfit the night before. All right, but yeah, I'm about to just put my little shoes on and I'm gonna see y'all when we get there.
Sometimes do a weird laugh.
I need to do a boomerang. The corn.
Macaroni and cheese. Macaroni and cheese. I said I want to. What is that?
Anybody get the dip?
Bro, he want that lobster cake so bad.
Put that on camera. You want the what, Jalen?
Lobster and spinach queso, please.
Oh, you act just like your dad.
What you got to eat? Big back Cadillac.
I love
And then for her, let's put her a water. The mac and cheese as well.
Need some salmon and a baked, bro, and a baked potato. I got some salad too, but I'm waiting on it to come out. I don't even have no silverware. I don't know.
It has smoke coming out of it.
Heavy metal.
Put some honey in there.
I'm gonna be metal.
Too much.
Hey, Meta, what is this?
Jay,
Get out my phone.
Jay, what you need?
Yeah.
What she say?
I asked him.
What she say?
Pasta, chicken, or fish?
He's talking about, hey, man, he on Drew Food, talking about, hey, man, what's this? Probably too late to touch my shit.
I get stopped.
I want some more.
You gonna first of all, we don't have to stop you. You eat all your food.
Where's the?
Hey y'all, it's the next morning. We are on the way out the door to Disney. I just want to give y'all a cute little fit check. It's 8:30. They open at 9, so we're about to leave like in the next 30 seconds. But here it is. I just got some Crocs, some leg warmers, a little jumpsuit. Got my ears. I have to take pictures. This is so cute. My bag from Lulu and a little sweater. I really might end up taking the sweater off because I don't think it's gonna be that cold. So cute.
Most magical place in the world.
Aww.
At motherfucking Disney, man. Epcot. Back there, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, this junk zoomed all the way in.
We in action right now, you know what I'm saying? No, I always recording, you know. Yo, hey, I got it. You got next. You got next shift.
What it goes, man?
That's a whole bottle first. I'm hot.
I want some water.
But I got on the like a, you got some tank top on? Yeah, I'm finna take it off. I got this shit. Yeah.
It's cute. Got a little interlink.
That same wagon y'all got too. Down bad.
Hey, with his blend. Come on. 1, 2, 3. We're in Mexico and this is our first drink.
Okay, but can you say that for me?
It's so hot out here. We got the first drink. It's good. It's a holiday margarita. Go to the second ride.
AJ, Leroy, y'all come on. Excuse me. AJ.
Look at tail moving.
They are. Oh, look at the baby one. Oh, look at the dog on the porch.
Of all the forces at work on the land,
I wonder what if we just got out.
What happened?
I said, I wonder what the inside of the house look like.
join us as we bring in the most valuable time.
Oh, look at the sand snowman.
Man, that's, you know, it's crazy. Everybody does that shit different.
That was better.
No administration, right? But I got to
We in Canada with it. Sun is beaming, boy.
You want that?
We're gonna get a melon breeze.
2, 3.
Hawaii.
Well, I don't eat it.
No, it's already recorded.
I suck. Because there's a bunch of people walking.
Okay, don't worry. It's recorded?
Wait, this
better
is
start recording.
Hawaii. This is our wait.
The second. 1, 2, 3. We're in Hawaii. This is our second drink.
This is good. This is like I don't know what it tastes like. It reminds me of like Minute Maid or something. See.
Hey. Have fun, guys.
You too. Woo. I got a pee. I'm hungry. I need to get my life together. What is this? Number 3?
Charlie
2. Yep, this is number 3. This is some Canadian wine.
Hi, guys. I'm already there. I'm waiting on her to get there.
Bro, you up ahead though, cause you had 2.
Yeah, I'm fucked up. Hey, let me tell you
I
something.
am sweating.
Listen to me. I'm where she needs to be. And it's okay. You know, we give
I
everybody
just need to
grace.
finish this one right here, and then I'll be.
sweating.
We finna go get some food
I don't
though,
know either. I don't even know
because
what Quincy.
I don't even know what's going on. Got some fish and chips. So hot. Man, that's how it need to be. The fish is so freaking big. Woo. The fish is so
Bless.
Only America put all that fucking attitude and shit like that. I say good. It's really wrong. It's not. It's not exact. You gonna have ice?
You understand? You took French. Come on. Tell me.
Bonjour,
Right in here.
je m'appelle Drew.
But probably before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How long you been here?
3 months.
Oh wow!
Yeah, that's real new year.
Oh, welcome!
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Merci.
Hey, what the hell you thought?
What is it, number? Oh,
Maybe I can catch up on the one.
we need to get this picture in before I spill this drink all over myself.
Oh, spicy. You thought we were basic. They told us we was at
And this is ours.
Number 6.
This is number 6. You like your noodles?
It was. The noodles are good.
Yeah.
I had some. Cheers.
Cheers. It has some shrimp tempura on top. Y'all see? It's like a little one, two.
Y'all not gonna wait?
just get nasty about it. Alright.
Thank you very much. Oh yes, yeah, thank you very much.
It's hot, blow it.
Hey, some money.
Eat it.
Not that bad, right? Ooh. You want some napkins?
Ghana. You from Ghana, Japan? Ghana? Oh, Goomba. Goomba.
How long have you been here?
2 months.
Everybody is new.
Yeah.
Really?
Burning my ears.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
That's good. Welcome.
But it's really hot.
Yeah, it's cold in
It's
Japan.
cold in Japan?
Yeah, now. Really cold.
Super cold. Is it snowing or no snow?
Snow.
Oh wow. Yeah, we don't get much of that down here.
Give me some more.
Go ahead. Sorry. Yeah, the noodles are good though. They're good.
Good as hell.
We're on number 7. We're in Italy. So this is like I don't know, it's something with champagne. I think it's called a limoncello something, but it's good. We got a little champagne. Y'all, I tried to do the little Epcot little TikTok challenge. I think I stopped at like number 2. I can't keep up. We're just gonna do it right here and call it a day.
Hey, we here. Y'all don't have to fuck you talking about. Like,
Cheers.
I mean, you were a fast walking ass. Pointing that damn finger.
Bro, the finger is crazy. We're in Italy.
No flying.
Okay, that's just on the game.
She says that she will be a very good girl so that we can have. Oh, Isabella! Oh my goodness, why so naughty? I think you will have a little time out.
Oh, how did he want 2 or 3? 'Cause I gotta play this.
Excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Hey y'all, shout out to Hey man, shout out to my
Hey,
girl
man, please
Drew.
record.
Make sure y'all get on her vlog, man. Lock in with my girl record.
Not like
Look how big this pizza is, Meta. What the hell?
I said, you want to get one and split? He like, no, I got your own.
Hey, Meta, please stop recording.
Like, no, for real, we're going to be so full.
Give me a knife.
One thing about it, everybody gonna be shitting tonight.
I love it. I got first dibs. We got motherfucking Halloween horror nights. What you want?
Horror Nights, we just started that.
Oh.
Y'all doing Horror Nights next year?
Drew?
What is this, number 9? Number 8?
But it's this. Drew.
Yeah, Drew came in with that. Yeah. Hey, I'm tired.
Wait, Drew. Drew, why the fuck was you bop?
I'm tired. I can't go. I can't walk.
That is covering up. This is what he do.
I swear to God, he was with me, but Drew walked away, so I had walked away, but I did have made it with him. I ain't got no.
Chinatown. Oh. We're in Chinatown.
We gotta go, y'all.
Let's go.
Okay. We got lychee martini.
I
I might want to get one more.
You want an egg roll?
Come on now. Let me keep going.
Jay, you don't like
Got some fried rice.
You want some more rice, Hayden?
Oh,
Give him a little rice,
That
baby.
shit good. That shit
this
good
is
as fuck.
authentic fried rice.
This the best sausage ever.
Boy, this is the best place in the middle.
Ooh, that shit good.
Are we not doing the? Yeah.
This is drink number 9.
Come on. Y'all women just do around the world. Like a video, like. Yeah. We gonna say it on 3. Everybody, when she paying the camera. All right. It's number 9. 1, 2, 3.
We're in China. This is drink number 9.
10, 9. Both of them. Chain chong, pole the tone. 9.
AJ got the wrong drink.
No, I don't.
That is my favorite. But
The fact that we finna come back.
Who eat lychee?
Me. I ain't gonna eat that one though.
Hold on, y'all. We in China now.
Yeah.
It's day 2. I need to wipe my camera off. Hold on. Okay. It's day 2. We are at Magic Kingdom. And yeah, it's very early. Wait. They taking pictures. 8:48. They opened at 8. We got here like a couple minutes before they open. It is packed already. Like nobody's playing games. Oh, it's Christmas. Merry Christmas. I forgot to tell y'all Merry Christmas.
Other way.
We're about to go see if we can get on the train real quick. But it's so cute out here.
That was the easy part, though. But this motherfucker, it was crazy.
Oh, the castle.
Guys.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Who else?
Hey, Meta, record. Hey, Meta, record. Hey, Meta, record.
Oh my gosh, it's a drop. Oh my gosh.
Hey, Meta, record.
Oh, it's not that bad. Oh my God! Oh my gosh, look at him! Hands But I never heard you scream like that
Hello. Y'all done? Oh, come on, y'all. They done. We walking back up to the ride. Stay where y'all was at.
Got me a Mickey shaped pretzel and I went and bought me some ears because I was feeling a little naked. Oh, a little dry. I got some cheese sauce with cheese on it. But it's good.
Alright, I want to go back up now. You just like a little kid, they got you.
Hold on before y'all scan.
It's hot in here. We just came to Space Mountain. I'm probably not gonna record because I don't want to lose my camera. And they said it's like an intense ride. So I'm gonna see y'all when the ride is done. But I'm gonna just show y'all the little beginning part. It's hot in here. Got some chicken tenders. Let's see when our next ride is. I haven't even looked. Oh, it's at 4:10. So it's 1:17 right now. And our next ride is at 4:10. Oh, that was fun. We got good seats. Bro, she trying to whip it. That's some good seats.
Yeah. See? We gotta be here early.
Man, what?
It's snowing out there.
Oh, it's so cute.
Treat yourself to something sweet.
Fairy tale Christmas time.
Say hi, Charlie. Say hi, Charlie.
The parade is over. We just came to get some little snacks. We're down here by like, I guess like Princess Tiana's little town. So it's like they got New Orleans stuff. They got gumbo, beignets. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a little snack. I just be needing something sweet.
Big Mac Cadillac.
Oh, I know I do. Thank you. It's gonna drop. Ooh. Ooh. Hold on, baby.
I'm gonna leave her neck on the
Oh Lord, that's it.
Oh hell
that was a real animal.
People want to take pictures. No touching. What will make you want to touch it?
You want to touch her booty? You can't touch the tree booty.
How would y'all want to touch it?
Oh my gosh, look at her.
Hey, matter record.
Oh, she's trying to seduce the crowd. Oh.
Hey, just close your eyes. Move back, move back. Ooh. Jump this up.
It's day 3. We are in Animal Kingdom. So far so good. We got this little bush going on. This little tree. She working it too. Right. That's look at her makeup. It's so pretty. Oh. She knows she the star of the show. Oh. Let me take a picture of that. That's nice.
Yeah, for sure. I just saw her.
Huh?
Her mom just got the hospital from this program.
Yeah. Huh?
The bells on the seat. What is this?
We just got off this, what ride was that? Oh, like the water rafting ride. Y'all should have seen me holding onto my poncho for dear life. Like, I was not playing. I had my poncho over my hair, covering up for dear life because I did not want my leave out to get wet. So now I'm about to get some food. We're at this like Chinese food spot. They have like sesame chicken, fried rice, egg rolls, all types of stuff. I think I'm going to get the fried rice and then probably some type of chicken to go with it.
What you getting?
That's like this frozen lemonade, some frozen lemonade cup. Yeah, that sounds good too. I might get a little slushy because I've been wanting a slushy since yesterday. I got me some rib tips and it's supposed to be rice, look, fries and an egg roll.
I'm gonna give you the phone. Sit down. She trying to pick what she want to see. You gotta eat. Put the food in front of her again. I did. She can't hold the phone. Yeah, that's fine.
But she does so good, don't over the phone yet.
Y'all made us at the table. Take the phone. Tanya, you a little soft. Softer than tissue. Sit at the table. You know it's cold.
Whew, just came to the bar, got some drinks.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers to a good day.
To a great day.
Because we've been having fun. Today been fun.
Animal Kingdom is very, very fun actually. Like, yesterday was cool, but today is giving me Epcot times 2.
Monkey! No,
This shit weak. This shit weak.
So the good ride is broke down. You want to get your big ass on it?
I like it on one that ain't for the kids. That's how I know it's about something.
We got a few of them coming up. It's not too hot. It's not too cold.
She says, honey, take me dancing, but I end up sleeping in a doorway.
5 feet tall and have a 9-foot wingspan, just like that canopy above your head. Now they have no vocal cords. We cannot be standing up at any point. Thank you. To the right, we also have some pink-back pelicans. They get their name from mating season when their backs turn pink, almost like they are blushing. The dewlap. That dewlap just helps them regulate their body temperatures. Now, a group of zebras is called a dazzle, and they're connected to their sinuses. So, when and if they happen to get a sinus infection, all they have to do is tilt their head. The mucus will drain into their horns, and it'll relieve them of that sinus pressure.
I am so tired, like, no joke, exhausted. But we're about to go to another ride. We just did our little safari, so we saw all the little animals and whatnot. But now we're about to go, I think we're going to Dino Land. I don't really know what the ride is, but we're just going to see when we get there. If I can record, I will. Oh!
Damn it, don't know it. Shut up, goddamn kid.
Y como diría, este gran filósofo del Perú, que tirarlo como...
Jamie, where they at? Are y'all coming on the ride or not? But yeah, you can take it.
Whoa! It's bumpy!
Okay, now let's go get that dino.
And I ever did in my life.
Wow, y'all look!
You were doing that at your friend's house.
I don't think we're supposed to be up here. We're supposed to be down
Wow.
here. We're supposed to go down and go around.
I mean, how they built this stuff?
We're back at the house. I'm about to actually close the vlog out because that was like our last day at Disney and this is our last night. We're actually heading on the road tomorrow morning. So before I did though, I wanted to show y'all the stuff that I got for Christmas because I was supposed to show y'all like when I got it, but I didn't get to show y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got. Oh, this was number 1. It's so cute. Whew. I'm so hungry. We're about to go get something to eat, I think, but look how cute. It's just so me. Like, I just love me a pink little something. It's so adorable. I love it so much. T. I actually already like wore these, but it's like these Dolce & Gabbana glasses. And this is what they look like. They got the little bling on the side. I actually been wearing them to like Disney. Yeah. They're so tea. So tea. I'm trying to hurry up because I think we about to go get some food. And I'm not trying to miss the call, okay? I'm gonna put them back in here though. And then last but not least, this robe. Y'all know I love me a robe. Anything that's like self-care, I'm on it real bad. She's real cute. I don't want to put it on because I'm like dirty right now, but so cute. So freaking cute. And then it has like a little belt to go with it. I cannot wait to take me a good shower and put this on. I hope y'all enjoyed my trip to Disney. I had a ball. Like, I literally felt like a kid again. It was so freaking fun. So if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next travel vlog.
You the best I ever had.